Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create 2D and 3D section for our project. I will teach you the visibility graphics and graphic display options to make our sections presentable. So let's start. Let's see how to create 2D section first. For this, go to the View tab and from here select a section and then click at one point to another one. And now if you click it, you can split the segments by using split segment and split it, and now you can move it wherever you want. But I want a straight section, so Control Z. And now double click. You can see a section here and you can manage the view according to your requirement. I will do it like this. Yeah, I guess this is fine. And now arrange the annotations, for example this one also, and from here crop region visible uncheck and make from here fine. Yeah, you can see, but here our lights are cutting, you can hide them. So what next we can do is we can use the visibility graphics to make it more aesthetic. For this, press double V and now make the floors black. Go to the floors and remember, for the sections we need cut. So I will select the pattern from cut over height solid and make it black. Okay. Okay. Also roof and walls I need black. Go to the roof, make them black solid. Okay. Also walls, make them solid fill black. Okay. And if you want to see, then apply and you can see here. Okay. Also we need a green topo surface for the surface. Okay, click here, then make it solid and now make it green. You can click the RGB code. I will 125, 158 and 122 and okay. Okay, apply. You can keep it half tone also. If you have half tone, apply, then it will look like this. It is also fine. And I will ask you to make the ceiling orange. Maybe go to the ceiling and the cut pattern solid. I'll select orange. Okay. Okay, and then apply. If you want to change these planters, you can change the visibility option for these also. I will go for this. Okay, and now you can see it's looking somehow okay with respect to the previous section. So another thing is graphic display option, and for this go to graphic display option and from here make shadow, cast shadow, and from depth going check it and make this one 35 and fade limit you can keep it 25 maybe and apply. Yeah, you can see that it is applied. You can change the lighting. Go to the lighting, make the sun maybe 45 and shadow maybe 50 and now apply. Again go to the background, you can change it to gradient. I don't need this much blue and move it up. Okay, apply, and okay. Now you can see it's looking very nice. Our section 2D section is looking much more aesthetic. Now we need 3D section for this. First, duplicate the 3D view, right click, duplicate view with detailing, and now rename it, right click, rename, and as 3D section, click it, and from here go to the Orient to view section, select section 1. Now you can see it will orient to your respective view and make it hidden, and again from here select perspective. Now you can see it look really nice. And now we will change the visibility graphics. First, if you want to hide it, you can hide in view element, but if you want to keep, then you can keep it. Also remove this section box, select it, hide element, and now we'll go to the visibility graphics for the visibility settings of this view. First, hide these two lights, not looking good. Now double V, and first change the floor. For this floor, I will make the lines solid. From here orange. Okay, you can change the weight also. Okay, also cut lines I need orange, solid orange. Okay, okay, and I need a pattern of sorry, this is the cut pattern. I need surface pattern, solid color, and change it to a little green color. Okay, apply, and you can see it is applied. You can make it more lighter, maybe this one is fine. Okay, apply. Now I need the furniture to be in orange color lines, but the pattern would be white. So make it like this and apply. And if you can see, it is applied. It's looking nice. And generic models also. We have generic models. Same orange color. Okay. Okay. And apply generic colors also, and then plumbing fixtures also. Plumbing fixtures lines, solid orange. Okay, okay, apply. Then you can see walls are applied. There are some fixture is not applied, so we can apply by uh, override visibility graphics. So for now I will just make these roof, we need cut lines to be orange. Okay, okay, apply, and you can see here, and I don't need ceiling to be orange, so I will select it and change the color, maybe this one lighter. Okay, okay, and then apply. Yeah, it's fine. And I need walls to be green, so I will provide walls projection a different green and the cut a different green. So pattern would be solid green color with RGB code 226, 226 and 197. Okay, okay, apply. Now you can see it's looking nice. And green for the cut, solid color, and RGB color 191, 191 and 128. Okay, okay, and then apply, and then you can see it's applied. And also I need the lines to be orange, both cut. And okay, okay, select to be solid. Okay, it is solid. Okay, then apply, and then okay. Then you can see our 3D section is ready. It's looking really good. You can change the cut pattern of the floor and roof as per your wish, but this is how you can change the visibility graphics. But if you can see here the visibility graphic of this fixture, and this is not changed, so select it and right click, override graphic view by element. And now from here, project lines, color, this one. Okay, and make it apply. Okay, similarly for this, right click, override graphic view by element, projection line, orange. Okay, apply, and then okay. And now if you can see, it's looking really nice. So this is how you can make the 2D and 3D sections of your building seamlessly. Thank you for watching.